big, big. Little, little. Long, long. Short, short. Thick, thick. Thin, thin. Hard, hard. Soft, soft. Big, big. Little, little. Long, long. Short, short. Thick, thick. Thin, thin. Hard, hard. Soft, soft. It is big. It is big. It is little. It is little. It is long. It is long. It is short. It is short. It is thick. It is thick. It is thin. It is thin. It is hard. It is hard. It is soft. It is soft. Move, play, talk. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. Long, long, long. Long, long, long. Thick, thick, thick. Thick, thick, thick. Short, short, short. Short, short, short. Thin, thin, thin. Thin, thin, thin. Is it big? No, it is little. It is little. Is it soft? No, it is hard. It is hard. Is it long? Yes, it is long. It is long. Is it thick? Yes, it is thick. It is thick. Wow!
Step by step.
Like and subscribe. This video is from Book A, now available in the description down below. Check it out!